Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're covering a developing story out of Illinois State University. On April 27, 2025, the university issued an emergency alert after reports of shots fired at the Bone Student Center. In this video, we're going to break down what happened, who's involved, and what's been happening in the aftermath of this frightening incident. Let's get into it. At approximately 7:40 p.m. on Sunday, April 27th, Illinois State University issued a campus-wide emergency alert after shots were fired at the Bone Student Center. For those who might not be familiar, the Bone Student Center is a major hub on campus, often hosting student events and activities. On this night, a registered student organization was hosting an event when the incident took place. Reports indicate that the shooting occurred outside the entryway of the event, leading to one individual being injured. The victim, however, is not an ISU student. Their condition hasn't been publicly shared yet, so we don't know the full extent of their injuries. But we do know that local law enforcement has been investigating the incident closely. Police have released a description of the suspect, who is believed to be a slender black male, around 5 feet 10 inches tall, with black afro-style hair. He was last seen wearing all black clothing and fleeing south from the intersection of University and College Streets. Authorities have also confirmed that they are actively searching for this individual with the assistance of local law enforcement agencies. The area surrounding the campus, including the Bone Student Center, remains under heightened vigilance, as police continue to gather information and look for any leads. In response to the incident, the university took immediate action. First off, the Bone Student Center has been closed temporarily, and all scheduled events for Monday, April 28th have been cancelled. ISU officials said that classes will proceed as normal, but students, faculty, and staff have been advised to avoid the area where the shooting took place. ISU sent out an email urging everyone to remain aware of their surroundings, to avoid the area of the Bone Student Center, and to report any tips or suspicious activity to the ISU Police Department. This isn't the first time the Bone Student Center area has been the site of gun violence. Back in September of 2024, there was another shooting near the center that tragically resulted in 1 death and 1 injury. It's clear that safety remains a concern around this part of the ISU campus. With 2 separate shootings in the past year near the same location, this has raised some serious questions about safety at ISU. While the university has emphasized its commitment to maintaining a safe environment, incidents like these naturally lead to more questions about how campus security can be improved moving forward. At the moment, the investigation is still ongoing. Local police, along with ISU officers, are doing everything they can to identify and apprehend the suspect. The public's help is critical, and any information, no matter how small it might seem, could be crucial in solving this case. If you were in the area around the time of the shooting or have any information that could help, authorities are asking you to come forward. As always, tips can be reported anonymously if you prefer to stay private. We've also been hearing from students, many of whom are understandably shaken by the news. While ISU has been praised for its quick response, students are still worried about their safety, especially after this being the second shooting incident near the Bone Student Center. One student we spoke with shared that they feel a bit uneasy walking around campus at night now. While the school is taking steps to address the situation, it's clear that there is a growing sense of unease among the student body. As of now, classes are going ahead as scheduled, and there has been no shelter-in-place order issued for the campus. But with the investigation ongoing, we will continue to keep you updated with any new developments. It's important to stay informed and stay safe, especially if you're in or near the ISU area. Always remember to report anything suspicious, and if you're a student or faculty member, make sure to follow any guidance given by the university and law enforcement. This is a developing situation, and we will continue to follow it closely. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this or other breaking news stories. As always, stay safe, stay aware, and we'll see you next time.